Hello bakers, today we are making dino cookies. I am Sophia the Hobbit. Take some cookie dough, the link for the recipe is below. Roll them, cut them, put them on a pan. Bake at 325, precious. Store them between paper towels to soak up any oils. Time to decorate. Start with a basic outline, then flood those cookies. I add stripes and spots with the wet on wet technique, but you can do it after the first layers dry for more of a 3D effect. Then I outline and I add a face to each dino. With this orange one, remember when outlining not to hit the back or there won't be room for those dino plate things. I made the designs for these cookies from drawing to 3D printing the cutters. They are also available on Thingiverse for free. If you hadn't noticed, my channel tends to push people to 3D print their own cutters. I love it so much, and I think 3D printing is the future of cookies. Such happy dinosaurs. Thank you for watching.